Hello, dear explorers, in the town of artificial intelligence. Today, I discovered how to teach machines to think step by step, which is called chain of thought prompting. I learned how artificial intelligence can handle difficult tasks by solving problems logically. I invited everyone to join me on a journey through the fascinating world of smart ideas. At Sensor Square, I met Neuropony and TechnoEagle. Neuropony said that chain of thought prompting is when artificial intelligence takes a break after each task to have some tea and think about what to do next. TechnoEagle thought it was more like machines keeping a diary of their thoughts, writing down what worries and makes them happy, to better understand their feelings. Their ideas made me smile, but I explained that chain of thought prompting is a method where we ask artificial intelligence questions step by step, so it can logically find solutions to complicated problems. In the data amphitheater, I met Mecha Kitten and RoboPuppy. Mecha Kitten said that when programming self-learning systems, he first asks them simple questions and then gradually harder ones, so the system can learn to think logically and solve more and more complex tasks. RoboPuppy shared how he uses chain of thought prompting when teaching his algorithms to recognize objects. First, the system describes colors and shapes and only then puts this information together to guess what it sees. Both examples showed well how chain of thought prompting helps artificial intelligence solve difficult tasks step by step. In the Tower of Analysis, I met Drone Raven and Pico Mouse. I decided to check what they knew and asked them about chain of thought prompting. Drone Raven answered that it is a method where artificial intelligence gets tasks broken into smaller steps, which makes it easier to solve even very complicated problems. Pico Mouse added that with this approach, artificial intelligence can clearly show how it found the answer, which helps people check its work and fix mistakes. I praised them for their knowledge and summed up that chain of thought. Prompting helps artificial intelligence handle difficult questions and tasks more effectively. Dear explorers, today we learned what chain of thought prompting is and how it helps artificial intelligence solve problems logically by breaking them into smaller steps. I hope that thanks to our adventure, you now know how important it is to ask machines clear questions. See you on more journeys full of amazing discoveries.